Hello guys, welcome to a video by me, Noah Bachman. I'm the Linux historian, and today we'll be looking at Linux Mint Debian Edition 3, titled Cindy. And this is the third release of it, and they're going in alphabetical order. As you can see, this C is the third letter, and the one before this, I don't know what the name of the last version was. I'm sorry. If you probably can let me know down in the comments if you know. But I'm going to look at it. It's the fallback version of Linux Mint if Ubuntu goes poof or goes a different direction that Linux Mint does not like, and they always have the good old stable Debian. They always probably should fall back to Debian if Ubuntu goes haywire. And yeah, I would look at it. And this is how it boot up. It just has a welcome screen. It has some couple first steps, which I wouldn't recommend Linux Mint Debian Edition for a new user. I recommend it for more of an intermediate user that likes Linux Mint. But a new user could use this if you want, but it wouldn't be as stable as the Linux Mint 19. I'm going to launch the system snapshots. What system snapshots is, it saves the typing the password wrong. It saves the what's it called? The hard drive of like your system in somewhere in the cloud over in the Linux servers, I think, or maybe saves to the hard drive. If you guys know where it saves it to, please let me know. But it rolls back if there's an issue in the update for like something like Firefox. If Firefox goes haywire in one update, obviously can fall back to the other one, or that's a bad one to choose. Firefox and most web browsers don't go too haywire, but an app or something in the system just goes really haywire and messes up your system. It rolls back to the last time shift, and I'm not going to set this up. And another thing is the media codecs have all the basic stuff for new users. As I do like Linux Mint for the welcome screen. That's one of my favorite things, as I mentioned a lot in the one video I made a few months ago about Linux Mint Tara versus Sylvia, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I might be wrong in the last version. Yeah, I think just saw different codecs and type in my password. And I will install those just to, yeah. But I talked about how I like the welcome screen a lot in the comparison video. It was beta release, but it was pretty much stock, and it's good. I will link that video in the top right corner, and maybe even in the description, depending on what I want to do, or both probably. So check up there. I'm going to cancel this because I want to get on to talking about other stuff, if there's a way to cancel it. Or looks like it's about almost done, so I'm just going to let it wait unless there's some more stuff to do. Just wait. Okay. Get it done. Okay. Or can I just click up there? Oh, it doesn't matter. It just got finished. And the update manager to do all your updates of stuff. And I know this is a rolling release distro, but semi-rolling release, but it's not really a rolling release, as I heard. It just has the latest Debian base, I'm guessing, and this is Debian 9, I believe, was the latest version of Debian, which just got released a year or two ago. So it should be very stable. You wouldn't have any big issues. But just in case, there is the time shift. One thing about this, it has that it's talked about in the video, but is the no, that's not it. Sorry, it's my first time poking around in this, in Linux Mint. At least in the Debian version. And you can change your repositories. I don't really just like leaving with the default ones for these, because I wanted to have the latest updates according to this. But if you live somewhere in Europe or South America or somewhere that is in the US, I would recommend changing these PPA, not the PPA, but these package locations change repositories. Actually, that's the technical name. I just forgot the name of them. I do not want to switch to local mirror, but if you guys want to, you can. I'll just stick with the default one, just to have all the latest updates. To go launch system settings, which you can change the themes. I'm going to see how many themes are installed. I think there's that's about the same much as Linux Mint, actually. I thought they might have I'm going to do the darker theme. And what was I saying? Oh yeah, they do have the same themes I installed. Maybe Linux Mint 19 might have a few more than Linux Mint Debian, but from the looks of it, looks like I have pretty much everything that Linux Mint does. What do I want? I like blue, so I'm going to choose like an aqua color. That looks nice. What does the blue look like? I don't like dark blue. I like more of a faint blue like that. It's more my type of blue. I would do the Y theme. I like the Y theme. But you can add additional themes. You want to update the cache? Sure. I think that is mandatory to get all these. And a good theme is adaptive. I love adaptive theme, guys. It's one of my favorite themes. Also, another good one is Numix. Once I search it, no, Numix. Is this also another good theme? Another good one is Paper. And sorry if this is a little laggy. This isn't a VM, so mind that. And that's also another good theme, Carta, which is inspired by the Paper theme. And I'm going to switch to probably the Carta. That would look nice with the blue icons. Ooh, yeah, that looks really nice. Configure. I might change the menu icon. I like using a custom menu icon, and I'm just going to use that. I normally choose the wallpaper I'm using. It looks really nice when you put like the wallpaper you have on your desktop, compare and put in the icon. It's one of my favorite things to do in Linux Mint, and it just looks really nice. But if you have a custom icon that you like using, like if you have a YouTube channel, if you want to put like your YouTube channel logo like Switch to Linux does, you can do that. And a bunch of other YouTubers normally do that. And yeah, software manager, which this is actually an update from the last version probably, and it looks nice. It's definitely nicer than some other software managers like the GNOME File Manager, not File Manager. I don't know why I'm saying File Manager. Software Center, and I don't know why I typed GNOME there, but it's nice because if you search something like Kden Live, and this does have Snap support, which I would talk about a little bit more. Like see, there's a flat hub for which are I don't know what type of flat hub. I believe maybe snaps or flat packs. Flat packs, that's what it is. Sorry, just need to think there for a second. There's Kden Live there. I'm going to choose this one. I don't use Kden Live to edit my videos. I never really edit my videos because it just takes too much time, and I'm kind of perfectionist and drives me crazy to edit videos. And it gives you reviews. And Power Sale, yeah, these are good reviews. This one in a different language, that's in a different language. So if you guys speak those languages, you probably can read those, but you might need to copy and paste into a translator. Yeah, these are good reviews. Like if you're a new user, like, oh yeah, they have the same software manager in Linux Mint. It's the Linux Mint software manager, of course. So it's universal for Linux Mint. There's Flatpaks, like there's Telegram, there's G-Radio, a bunch of other apps. What else is in this system? I might just move the bar at the top. I just prefer it at the top, guys. I don't like it on the bottom. It reminds you too much of Windows, but that might be a good thing for some of you if you like the bottom panel. I like the top panel. Move up there. Okay. Panel edit mode turn off. themes. I already messed with the themes. That's good for now. There's LibreOffice installed. There's Firefox, the default, which most issues have it, and Simple Scan. There's System Monitor. I'm going to see how much RAM this is taking up. I don't think it's taking up that much. It's taking up about 85.3 megabytes of RAM, so that's not too bad. I put 4 gigs in here. And the swap is going too crazy, and they should be using a swap file being Ubuntu based probably. I'm going to go in the files, which the file manager they use is Nemo, which is actually a nice file manager. It's definitely a nice file manager. I don't care which file manager I use. Not too particular, but definitely one of my favorite file managers is Nemo. I like how the theming's set up. I don't care about the usability of the file manager, because all of file managers have the basic tools that I need. Just copy and paste. That's all I really need, and that's it. If you can go different those, I don't really like messing with those type of things. I like this because it's icons. I like icons like that, and yeah. Why I went in here because I want to check if there's a swap file. How do you show hidden files? There's how you show hidden files, and there should be a swap thing down here. I might need to go to root. Yeah, I might need to go to the root partition. Don't know where the swap file thing is. It may not. Wait, this is not Ubuntu base. This is a Debian base. Oh, so they're probably using swap partition probably. I'm gonna need to install something called htop so we can get the system resources without getting any the GUI interface that that the system monitor is using. And it's using this much memory and this using this much of CPU, which is not bad. And Cinnamon definitely not the lightest version of the desktop, but if you're installing an XP Debian edition, I would recommend the Mate version of the desktop if you're on low hardware. But if you have a hardware that has at least 6 gigs of RAM or higher, run with the Cinnamon version. And unless you like the Mate desktop, which I actually currently using Ubuntu Mate, and I've been loving it, guys. If you want, I might make a video later in the day actually about Linksman, not Linksman, but Ubuntu Mate. So look forward to that video later this week or next week. It depends when I upload this video, which probably going to be uploaded today, which is Saturday, September 8th. But just look forward to that. One last thing I always look at is wallpaper. I always like looking at the wallpapers in this. And most Linux digital look at, and where's wallpapers located? I know how to get to wallpapers probably. Is change the desktop background. They call it backgrounds in this. Okay. This is a custom made one by Kevin T, and it looks really nice actually. It's not my favorite wallpaper, but it's not too bad. Some people like that style of wallpaper. I'm not the one to go with that type. I like the wallpaper like more of a flat, materialistic type of person, and I want to go with the blue theme. Ooh, the blue wave with the blue. I love that contrast right there. I might stick with that one. I'm going to see if there's any better ones. This might look good. Ooh, I love that blue aqua look of it. Nice. I'll run with that one. I prefer that one over that other wallpaper. All these are good, high quality wallpapers. They're all really good. No need to move this over here and just move around looking at the wallpaper, which I did this in the comparison, and as I said in that video, I believe all of these are really nice high quality wallpaper. I'm really liking wallpapers coming out of Linux Mint. Keep up the good work, whoever take all these, or probably not all one person looking at the names. Like, there's a variety of people. That's why I say applause to all you guys. This is probably my least favorite one. Just too pink for me. I think that's it. Yeah, that's all the wallpaper. I know that's blocking it, and yeah, that's Linux Mint Debian Edition. If you have any suggestions for any other look-ats, please let me know down in the comments. If you love this video, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, like it. If I think I already said that, I'm sorry if I repeat myself there. And if you guys want to just talk about anything Linux related, what you've been up to, what you have installed, please let me know down in the comments. There's a video at the left here and a video at the right here, and in the center there should be a subscribe button in a few seconds or minutes. And I will see you guys in the next video.